Hey, I'm Mike from Sons of Liberty Gunworks, and I want to talk to you guys a little bit about the Sons of Liberty Gunworks warranty. This is a misunderstood thing out there. I agree, the best warranty is the one you don't need. But our warranty goes a lot further than just that, right? Our warranty actually includes wear. So if you were to put 25,000 rounds on a barrel or something and shoot that thing out, we replace the thing, no questions asked. You wear gas rings out, we replace them. Those are wear items, okay? Our warranty covers wear and abuse. So after you've used something to the end of its service life, we will still service and replace those parts. That's our warranty. If you back over it with the car, if it's destroyed in a house fire, we're going to replace that gun. That's the difference whenever we talk about the Sons of Liberty warranty. It's not because of a manufacturer defect. Every company should be guaranteeing against manufacturer defect. Ours goes considerably further than that, even to the point to where if a Sons of Liberty rifle is used in a defensive shooting and that weapon is taken for evidence, we will replace that gun while it's sitting in an evidence locker. Okay? That's for law enforcement, that's civilian. If you use this gun in a justified defensive scenario, I will send you a replacement rifle. Thank you very much, guys.